Hi guys, it's just a quick and dirty video of my opinion on a UK legal leatherman. This is what I've done. Sorry, it's just on my iPhone. This is what I've done to legally carry mine in the UK. So in the UK, it's illegal to carry a locking knife. So there's so many forums, there's so many, oh well it's not a knife, it's a tool. Yeah, that's fine, but on this tool there is a locking knife. It locks, yeah. So that still is a locking knife, in my opinion. Still, yes, serrated, but it's still a locking knife. Same goes for this one. Yeah, you still lock when it opens. People say, oh, you can carry it. Yes, you can carry it for work, in my opinion. You're using a tool for work. But if you're just on an everyday carry and you have a knife on your person in the UK, it's still illegal. So this is what I've done, in my opinion, so it's just a leatherman wave. My wife bought me it for Valentine's Day. She buys me one every year. And all I've done is removed the knife and replaced it with a key. In fact, I've removed both knives and replaced with my keys to my house. Simple as that. So you still have the use of all your other tools apart from a knife. So you still got the pliers, you still got that, and with it I carry this. So normally in my work I carry two leathermans. So you still have the surge saw, which I normally carry the surge in the wave or the surge in the charge. So you still have, if you choose to carry something like this, all the bits, all, if you can get them out, these bits also, which come in really handy. So now I can carry these, all of these around with me, with what I consider to be a UK legal leatherman. I've heard of people just snapping the knife off and stuff like that. This took me about an hour to make both of these. Yes, I polished them up and stuff like that as best I could, but fundamentally it was just a hacksaw and a file. I clamped this to it, went round it with a sharpie, and then just got as best I could. One of them fits with a little bit of wiggle, but the other one, that was the first one, so the second one fits no wiggle. So even if you wanted to get a set of keys cut and make one your test piece, the second one came out a lot easier than the first one, but it still works. Even if you wanted to do it first time, it still works fine. So yeah, that's my version. I've even heard of people carrying these, which is not locking, still under the 3 inches, and I've still heard of people being charged or picked up by the police saying this is still a knife. So if you're just looking for a multi-tool and you're not looking to carry a knife, this is the way to go, I'd say. You can put other things on it. I even thought about putting this on it, which is the same width, drilling a hole, but then you would have, it still fits in there, but then you would have all this protrusion. But these are quite handy little things, little spanners. Can't remember what it goes up to. I think it's like 18, all the common sizes down to 10. Bottle opener, don't know what these are for, but yeah, I even thought about putting that on. I might even, just as an experiment, put that on, but that's my version of it. Just a key give it a go if you want to carry a leatherman without any hassle. Thanks.